Introducing the new Fortuner, the urban nature SUV that forges with prestige image and formidable performance. The 2 GD engine and the variable flow control power steering grant a better ride comfort, enhances fuel economy, and brings natural handling that matches the speed. The elegancy front look design is represented by the enlarging garnished dark chrome front grille and cutting-edge LED lights headlamp, providing more sharper looks and fearless attitude to conquer any road possible. Ensure your journey brightly safe with the new LED fog lamp and new LED advanced rear lamps that also refine with more visible design, keeping the night drive at ease. Crafted with precision, the new 18-inch TRD alloy wheel brings stunning ground clearance but also brings captivating side exterior. For your excellent convenience, the automated kick sensor with power backdoor technology will bring you easiness for easy loading just by the swipe of your feet. On the inside, dark interior color combined with whole new leathered convenient seats, expressing a luxurious yet sporty that also comes in a prestige design dashboard. As a premium SUV, the new Fortuner is surrounded by the progressive technology that will support your most leisure travel, such as the new wireless charger to keep you always connected. The new rear seat entertainment unit with illumination system is made to award the rear passenger seat equal comforts. The new electrochromic rearview mirror will help your vision problems by automatically dims or reducing glare when it senses light from behind. And the newly vast 9-inch head unit provides you with infotainment premium pleasure, which consists of Miracast, voice command, and smartphone technology. The new integrated surround monitor is also injected with complete features of blind spot detection, moving object detection, lane departure warning, and headway monitoring warning to prevent collisions when parking or setting off. Now the road is yours to reclaim the best of both worlds with the ultimate new Fortuner.